This video is sponsored by Intel.
What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we're going to be taking a look at my favorite tech of the month for the month of November. And for those of you who have never seen one of my favorite tech of the month videos, we're pretty much going to be looking at tech that I've been personally using for the past month, whether it's old or new. But before we actually get started, we've got a quick message from our sponsors over at Intel. And right here, guys, we have the Lenovo ThinkPad T480s. And if your company or workplace is serious about efficiencies, then they're gonna wanna upgrade to a machine like this that has the new vPro processor. There are tons of Windows 10 apps that can help you at work, but they require more processing power for faster computing to take full advantage of them. With the vPro processor, you get exactly that, as well as better options for security. IT departments are definitely going to be thrilled with more folks running updated hardware, since it means it's going to be easier to run applications as well as help troubleshooting. So if you guys are running around with a really old work laptop, this is something you definitely got to consider. And I'll of course have links down below in the description so you guys can learn more about Intel's vPro processor and what hardware you guys should be upgrading your systems to, so you can get on Windows 10 and have a very smooth experience at work. But now let's talk about my favorite tech. So first up is something I'm actually really excited about. These are the Surface headphones. Now, these are really cool Bluetooth headphones that have a lot of cool features and a pretty interesting design. So first up, if you just take a look at these, it looks like some marshmallows. They're actually really comfortable. They've got that Surface Book gray going for it. So it really matches well with, you know, the Surface products is what you come to expect. But these marshmallows though, these things feel really nice, guys. Lots of comfort. But what makes these things special, not only do they sound good, but they've got some interesting features. So on each ear cup, they have a dial. On the right ear cup, this one controls the volume. So whenever you're listening to your music, you can just control the volume or a video, whatever audio it may be, control it right here. And on the left side over here, you can actually control the active noise canceling or the ambient sound. So with this dial, if you want, you can turn it all the way down, and that allows you to hear more of what's in your surroundings. So let's say someone's talking to you, you can hear them very clearly. And when you want to turn the active noise canceling up, you just turn it all the way up and you have completely wiped out everything around you. What's also nice is that each ear cup has a touch panel on the side. So right here, you can control your audio. One tap will play and pause your music. Double tap to skip to the next song, and triple tap to go back. So just like any inline remote, those are the same controls. But what's nice and unique about these headphones is that each ear cup has this touch panel. And what's awesome about these headphones is that you can connect them with up to 10 different devices, and it has a swift pairing mode with other Surface products like the Surface Studio or maybe the Surface Book. So if you have that family of products, this thing can pair pretty quickly and easily with those. But being able to pair with 10 devices, guys, that's crazy. I've been really enjoying my time with these, and I'm gonna have a full in-depth video about this so you can learn all the ins and outs of it, all the good and the bad. But as of right now, guys, I really, really like it. So for Microsoft's very first headphones, I think they did a pretty good job, but more on that in the future video. And what we've got right here, guys, is the Google Home Hub. And you might have seen my video with the Google Home Hub versus the Amazon Echo Show 2, but the Google Home Hub has really got my attention for a nice compact small device like this. I think it does a really good job at providing information on a little small display, and it gives you access to a lot of controls, especially if you want to hook up a smart home. And that is something that I clearly want to do. So it is nice to have all of these controls here. Take a look at this, guys. I can view my rooms and I can access all of the lights and cameras, everything that I have inside of here, the speakers, all controllable right from this one display. And not only that, I can see my calendar, I can see the weather. There's just lots of information that you can get here at a glance. But of course, it's a voice assistant, so I can call out to Google and say, "Hey Google, what's the next thing on my calendar?"
Sorry, I can't find anything on your calendar for then.
I ain't doing nothing, folks. But those are the kind of things that you can ask it. I can ask her to set a reminder. I can ask her to pull up your average consumer videos. There's all kinds of things that you can do with this. And I've actually really been enjoying it. And the sound quality is actually not that bad considering it's a small device. Now, it doesn't hold a candle to the Echo Show 2, but that thing is a behemoth. For me, I really like this because in a kitchen like this where I know Ari's not gonna let me go nuts, I'm gonna have to be as inconspicuous as I can with the technology that I put inside of here. So this is something that I've really been considering since it takes up like no space and it kind of fits with the whole look here. And all right guys, it has been way too long since I talked about portable chargers. So we got some really cool stuff over here from the guys over at Nimble. Now they sent over a few things back in a massive tech unboxing. I forget which one, we've done so many, but they sent over a huge package with all the cool things that they make. And I really like what these guys do. First off, kudos to them for being a very eco-friendly tech company. But these portable chargers though, these are so cool because they have a few USB ports. And by that, I mean 4, which is just unheard of. But you get 3 regular USB type A ports. One actually has Quick Charge 3.0. And you also get a USB type C port. And why this is cool is because it has USB PD, which is what you need to fast charge devices like the iPhone. And what I really like about them is that you have that ability with a portable charger this small. Usually you have those big power bricks to do something like that, but you have a really compact body here. This one right here is 13,000 milliamp hours, and they have an even smaller one, which is about 10,000 milliamp hours. So if you want something even smaller and more inconspicuous, you can kind of just put away. That one's a nice option too. But if you want a really large one, you can get something like this that has 26,000 milliamp hours. I think it's almost 27,000 milliamp hours, which is insane. This thing will charge your devices over and over and over and over again. I like these. The quality is amazing. I like that it has this nice rubberized design up top as well. Kind of makes it easy to grip. But not only that, they've got these cool little magnets at the bottom of it. And check this out. I can grab one of these. So these are also included. And what you do is you just strap this onto here, and the USB cable that you're probably gonna use the most, you can just throw onto it and just tie it up. You can do that. I'm fumbling right now, but you get the idea. But in all seriousness, guys, you can just put it here and then snap it in place. And it just makes it easier to have a little cable management so you know exactly where the cable that you're going to be using is, and you just take it around with you. I think that is really cool and something we don't really see with portable chargers. And they make other cool things as well. Over here we have wireless charging pads. So this guy is actually a long one which can charge 2 devices at the same time. So that's always cool. Apple is never going to come out with their, what is it, air powered device. So you got this as an option. It also uses USB Type-C. This guy right here is a regular wireless charging stand. So you can put your device here and kind of just kick out the stand and boom, you're charging your device. And something else that they've got is this cool wall adapter, which allows for 2 USB ports. You just kind of plug this in, and then it's got a nice way of hiding those cables, keeping them from breaking off or anything by shielding them in here. Really cool design, I like it. But they just seem like a cool company, so I wanted to feature them in this video since I've been using them since I got them in the massive tech unboxing. I'll have them linked down below in the description, as well as everything else I mentioned in this video. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I don't have a huge list of products here, but these are the ones that I've been using that you guys don't know about yet. So I just wanted to let you guys know. But till the next one, guys, it's your average consumer. Peace. Let me know what your favorite piece of tech was for this past month in the comment section down below.